Okay, so today we're going to be taking a look at the Anker PowerPort PD Plus 2. Pretty long name. Power adapter for USB-C and or standard USB cables to charge your phone or tablet. And this works with both Android and iOS, so you can use it with both spectrums of smart devices. But anyway, essentially what this is it's a power brick made by Anker that is supporting fast charging, both through USB-C as well as standard USB 3.0. So it's kind of cool that it does support both of those connections in one power brick, so you get multiple uses. Anyway, I picked this up primarily to go along with the Anker lightning cable that I had just picked up recently. So this is going to basically pair with that. But anyway, you can see kind of what it offers right here. It has Power IQ 2.0, which gives the fastest charge possible, voltage boost, and multi-protect, which is a lot of technical jargon that companies like to use to persuade you into purchasing their products. Anyway, moving on. So here's the back, gives you a little more details on what to expect. And I did already break the seal here to make it easier to open on the video. Okay, sliding it out, we're greeted with what looks to be a support paperwork, or user manual rather, and whatnot. Probably some warranty information in there too. Anyway, so here is the actual power adapter itself. So let's take out this plastic thing. And there it is. So it's seeming like it's about the same size as a standard iPad power brick. It's got fairly the same dimensions, and also has a nice flip out wall prong to keep it tucked away when you're traveling or taking it with you. And then it looks like we have a little power indicator light to let you know when it's actually charging something. And then of course there is the USB-C connector and fast charging the USB 3.0. And then other than that, that's basically it. You don't have anything else on there. So from here, like I said, this works with both, obviously, Anker's own USB-C to Lightning or USB-C to micro USB or whatever type of cable. It works with their cables, but also obviously works with Apple's USB-C and standard USB 3.0 connectors. So it's versatile, which is nice. So you can obviously plug it in like you would, and then bam, now you have fast charging on your iPhone or your Android. So anyway, that's basically it for this video. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Hope you guys thought it was helpful, and I will provide links to everything that you've seen in this video. But anyway, yeah, so that's basically it. Hope you guys have enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.